In our last episode, we toured the garden and grounds of the ancient abandoned abbey of the Recollets monks. We left off, just ready to enter the building. It seemed very strange to me that the front door was at the side of the building instead of at the front facade, but that was the least of the strange things of this house. Using an enormous skeleton key, we entered through the heavy, somber oak door and into the entry. We noticed immediately that any semblance of an abbey was long gone centuries ago, and what was left was a very tired and worn country manor house. However, we could see that there were some good bones. The stairway was pretty, and the windows tall and period, having a late 18th century latches and hand-blown glass panes. The floor was terracotta tiles called tomettes. They had a lot of water damage to them. The next room we visited was a formal salon. It was decorated in the style directoire, which was the architectural style right after the French Revolution. Getting past the creepy portraits, the most remarkable features were its formal symmetry, its plaster detailing, and its wood parquet floors. This was my favorite part, the hallway. It was so decrepit. There's not much to say here, except there was a cool oval window. The house tour seemed to be getting a little worse as we kept going. We entered into the bathroom. That's about all I can say about that. The next room we went into was a smaller salon. It had a nice size fireplace and some plaster details, and I didn't photograph it, but it had a bidet inside of a tiny closet. This space looked like it could have been the main entry when this was an abbey, because it was centered on the doorway outside, and it had an arch that went into the hallway. We next entered the library. It had a nice fireplace, higher ceilings, and plaster detailing, and 3 large windows. It had some promise to it. Then we entered the billiard room, which was absolutely ghastly. Except for the table, it was beautiful, and the wood railing on the staircase, that was beautiful. Stay tuned for more of the tour on the next episode.